Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Joseph and this is Cashwise. Today guys, you're going to see on how you can make money through different kind of softwares. So I made this question. Certain person just commented on the comment section down below via my channel and asked me, hey Joseph, how can I make money through softwares? And I think the guy was looking on the way that he can sell softwares and make money. He said that, hey, I have a lot of people who are in needing of softwares. For instance, he mentioned for me that he faced like 10 people for the past week asking that how can they get a free Photoshop, and he couldn't even know on how to help them. So today I'm here to show you how you can do it. So I'm going to introduce to you a certain website, a beautiful website called Get Into PC. You have searched it, you have got to your browser, whether it's a desktop or your phone. You just write www.getintopc.com. So sorry, I was out of internet connection. So you just write www.getintopc.com, just like that, and after searching on that, you'll find the first option is good. Just go and click the first option, that Get Into PC, download your desired app. After it opens, you will find a lot of softwares just like this. So I'm going to try searching for Photoshop, as one of my YouTube subscribers just asked me for it. So it's called Photoshop. Okay, Photoshop, just like that, and I'm going to click search. We're going to wait for it to search. Alright, as you can see, the one that is good and on trend right now, the new one, the updated one, is right here for this year 2023. So you can choose if maybe you need the other ones, the old visions. You can see as here 2022 and so on. So I'm gonna choose on the 2023 over there. So you just click on it, click on the words Adobe Photoshop 2023 free download. After you click the way there, you come and lead. If you have time, you can lead each and everything, but the most good part that you should know, you just come here to the requirements, guys, to the requirements. As you can see, let me first maximize the window. So as you can see here, these are the requirements needed for this kind of system or this kind of software to operate in the computer of the customer that of which you are just selling the software to, or if you want to use it by yourself. As you can see, the setup number, okay, the size is 3GB, 3.2 GBs, and about the storage, it's a full standing alone, don't need connect the internet when it's storing, and it's operate in a 64-bit. If you need for the 32-bit, you can also just search on search bar. So here then all the information and so forth. So you come here down. So guys, somebody can ask me that, now how do we know that we don't have to pay for this after downloading it, although it needs some payments? So it's actually very cool. You see here, you have this password, okay? So after downloading this kind of software, it's actually already, I can say, you can just put it like correctly. Yeah, I can just take it like that. But after downloading, you will actually receive an archive. The archive folder that you will have, it will need you to have a password, or it will require to have a password. So the password is what you have to claim just to take this password. That's 123. And most of the softwares from this website, their password, the archive passwords are 123. So you just click download over here. If you want it, you can just click download, and other kind of process just go as normal. For instance, maybe you want games. We have games. For instance, I'm gonna try search for, let me try maybe GTA. Yeah, GTA, because some kind of a popular game. Let me try searching for GTA, just like that, and I'm gonna search. So let's see the results about GTA. As you can see, some kind of GTA games over here, but also GTA 5 is also here, but it's just kind of some choices which are coming now. So you can just go download it, just place and see each and everything. So guys, after you have searched, maybe you have your software, and maybe you got a customer need a certain kind of software. For instance, maybe it's Photoshop. You obtain it, and after downloading it, just tell a customer, okay, it will cost you maybe $5, and you know from that, maybe from the internet connection, it will charge you maybe some amount of money. You just provide the service, and you make money online. Although this kind of method, guys, may take some time. Yes, may take some time if you wanna start it today. Okay, so that was all of it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to comment if you did understand any kind of a part from here, or don't forget to comment if you need any kind of viral videos. If you need, maybe if you're facing a query event out of this kind of videos that I have on my channel, maybe you face this something aside there, you can just tell me in the comment section down below, and I will make some investigation about that thing, and I'll bring for you some valuable content here. If maybe you need a review about any kind of method of making money online, don't forget to leave a comment section down below, and I'll bring each and everything here. I will expose each and everything. I always bring the naked truth over here. So guys, don't also forget to click on subscription button if you are the first and it's your first time to visit this channel, because we provide valuable content. Also, put that like button, press that like button, see if you really enjoy this video, and also don't forget to share this to your friends so that you can share knowledge. It's very good to share knowledge to other people. So you want to see more and cool stuff like this, subscribe. You want to see maybe other stuffs that I've uploaded here on my channel, I'll leave the links. I'll leave the links in the description down below. I'll leave the link to make money on Binance, and I'll also leave the link to make money through MTFA applications. So actually, I provide valuable content, and I don't want to talk too much today, guys. So thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Peace.